Welcome to the search engine optimization section of the strategy. In this section, you will learn how to start getting visitors to your website. This works by doing something called SEO, search engine optimizing your entire website so that different parts of your website will rank for different search terms in search engines like Google. First, you'll learn to understand which parts of your website should rank for what. In the guidebook, you'll learn what a curiosity intent is and what a purchase intent is and what their different modifiers are. Someone with a curiosity intent should be sent to articles, while someone with a purchase intent should be sent to product pages. Next up, you'll learn to find what people are searching for so that you can create content around what the potential visitor is interested in. If you know that there are 1 to 10,000 people per month that are searching for the benefit of blue light glasses, you'll learn to investigate that specific keyword to see if your newly website will have any chance on ranking for it. By finding out that your top competitors has a page authority and a domain authority that is very weak and still they are ranking on the first page, that means that even though you have a brand new website, you will have an opportunity to rank for this keyword. When we know that we have an opportunity to rank for this keyword, we want to create content around it. And once you've learned how to use the new copy-paste ChatGPT prompts to create content for you optimized for that specific keyword, you'll have a brand new completely optimized article that can now start ranking for this keyword. You'll then learn to find other sites that are in a similar niche as yours, use ChatGPT to summarize your article into an attractive email, to ask them for a backlink to your website. And a backlink is like a vote of confidence that is going to severely increase your rankings in the search engine optimization. And then you learn how to have ChatGPT summarize your entire article into an email asking the website owner if they would provide you with a backlink in exchange for them getting a free piece of content that is your article. A win-win situation. And you will learn why backlinks are so important to skyrocket your rankings quickly. All of this coming up in this section so that you can start getting traffic to your website. Hope you're excited. See you in the next lecture.